Hi, welcome on Things to Consider. What we're going to do in this series is basically give you some real-life experience that we have had in the installation of compressed air operated products used for blow-off, cooling, moving, or drying. Today we're going to talk about a few installations we've come across utilizing compressed air operated air wipes. I have one in my hand. What an air wipe does is it basically dries and cleans a extruded part. The extruded part goes through the air wipe, goes in one end wet, comes out the other end dry. So here's what we've seen. When you have a product which is wet on one side going through the air wipe, you want to dry the part. You should be able to blow against the flow of that moving part. However, we've actually seen the reverse. People have actually installed these things with the air wipe blowing in the same direction as the material is moving. But what happens there is it just simply doesn't dry the part. In fact, it actually starts to concentrate some of the moisture on the wet end. So when you are utilizing air wipe, you should actually install it the other way. You have to understand, a lot of people don't understand compressed air. People understand electricity. You see a plug, you plug it in, everything works. With compressed air, few people really understand it because you don't experience it every single day. So, in installing an air wipe, always install it so that you're blowing against the flow. And another things to consider, we'll look at another product and some of the other experiences we've had in the field.